What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Abel, and welcome to Forex 101, a beginner's guide to trading Forex. And in this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know to get started in the world of Forex trading. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're just looking to brush up on your knowledge, this guide will provide you with a solid foundation in the world of Forex. But first, let's start with the basics. What is Forex trading? Forex, or short for foreign exchange, is the process of buying and selling different currencies in order to profit from the fluctuations that currency prices make on a daily basis. It is the largest financial market in the world with a daily trading volume of over $6 trillion. And this is because market participants include the largest institutions, the largest banks, small banks, government entities, hedge funds, and even retail traders like you and me are actively trading in this market every single day. Now, one thing you must know is that currency pairs are quoted, or currencies are quoted in pairs, with the value of one currency expressed in terms of another. For an example, the Euro-USD pair represents the value of the euro in terms of US dollars. The first currency in the pair is known as the base currency, and it is being bought or sold, while the second currency is known as the quote currency, and it is being used to determine the actual price. Now, Forex traders, guys, can profit from changes in the value of different currencies by buying low and selling high. However, it's important to note that the value of currencies is influenced by a variety of different factors, including economic indicators, political events, and global market trends. Now, this means that Forex trading carries risk, as with any investment. It's crucial to educate yourself on the market and have a solid understanding of risk management techniques before fully diving in and risking your hard-earned money. Now, how does Forex trading truly work? So, essentially, traders buy and sell different currencies based on their perceived value relative to each other. For example, if you think that the US dollar will appreciate in value relative to the euro, you might buy US dollars and sell euros. This is known as going long on the US dollar and going short on the euro. If the value of the US dollar does indeed increase, you can then sell your US dollars for a profit. On the other hand, though, if the value of the US dollar decreases, now you'll actually have to incur a loss in that specific position. Now, what are some benefits, guys, of Forex trading? Well, there are a number of benefits to Forex trading. One being the biggest advantage is the sheer size of the market, which means that there is always liquidity and the potential for profit because there's always different opportunities to get in and out of the market. And the reason why this is even possible is because there's always buyers and sellers in this market, so you'll always be able to find someone to trade with no matter what time it is. Forex trading is also highly flexible, with traders able to trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Now, this means you can trade on your own schedule, whether it's during regular business hours or in the middle of the night. Plus, with the rise of online trading platforms, it's easier than ever to get started in Forex trading from the comfort of your own home, or even if you're on a beach somewhere across the entire world. But there is risks that are involved. So, it's important to note that Forex trading does carry risks, as with any investment. One of the main risks is just simply the potential for loss. As the value of currencies can fluctuate rapidly, it's crucial to educate yourself on the market so that you can protect yourself from as much downside risk as possible. So, really understanding risk management, guys, is extremely crucial. Now, how can one get started with trading? So, here are a few steps, guys, that I want to go over with y'all, teaching y'all how to actually get started. Now, the first thing you want to do, it's important to educate yourself on the market and learn as much as you can about Forex trading. Now, this can include reading books, watching instructional videos, and taking online courses. It is also a good idea to have a solid understanding of fundamental, technical, and sentimental analysis, which are 3 key methods for analyzing the market and making informed trading decisions. Now, once you feel comfortable with your knowledge in the market, it's time to find a reputable broker and trading platform. Now, a few things that you want to look for, guys, is you want to find a broker that offers low spread, reliable execution, and a user-friendly interface. Many brokers offer a variety of trading platforms, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs and preferences. Now, before you start trading with actual real money, it's actually a good idea, guys, to practice with a demo account. Many online brokers offer demo accounts that allow you to trade with virtual money, so you can test out different strategies and see how they perform without any real risk involved. This is a great way to get a feel for the market and develop your trading skills before you start risking your own capital. Now, once you're ready to start trading with real money, it's important to set clear goals and develop a trading plan. And this can include, in your plan, defining your risk tolerance, setting stop loss orders, and establishing a strategy for managing your trades. And finally, it's important, guys, to stay up to date with market news and trends. So this can impact, because it will impact the value of different currencies and influence your trading decisions. Now, you can do this by following various different financial news sources, subscribing to different newsletters and alerts, and staying active in online trading communities. And please do not overlook the importance, guys, of fundamental data. A big reason why trading Forex is extremely hard is because there is so many different news events. There is so many different factors that come out on a daily basis. I mean, let's take an example, guys, what we just experienced over the past few years. We've experienced a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt because of all the news that's been surrounding our world here, with COVID, with inflation, with interest rates going up, with central banks not really understanding what the hell to do. And all those different factors is causing added volatility in the market, which is causing these markets, guys, to move at a very, very rapid pace. So it is very important to educate yourself on not just a technical based analysis, but also on a fundamental and a sentimental base as well. Now, family, with following these steps and being disciplined and being consistent with your trading, you'll be well on your way to actually getting results that you truly want. But there is a few things that I want you to understand. This is going to be a process. It is a learning curve that you have to go through. I mean, just think about it, guys, right? If you're learning an entirely new language, which is the language of trading, there's gonna be learning curves. I mean, for an example, let's say you want to go ahead and learn how to speak Spanish, French, Italian, German, right? Mandarin. If you already don't come from a family that speaks those type of languages, then it's going to be a process. So you have to really think long term with this. It's not going to come overnight. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is something that can allow you to get rich eventually, as long as you continuously trust the process the entire time, guys. So do not rush the process. Trust the process, because this skill set is absolutely beautiful. It is an amazing thing to have, as long as you really are able to develop all the correct skills and habits of a professional trader. And I know that you can do that because you're watching this video, and you're gonna continue to watch all of my videos that I continuously drop on my YouTube, because I wanna make sure that you guys are getting the correct information, the real information that can really go ahead and take you guys from beginner to advanced in as soon as possible, right? I'm not gonna give you guys a timetable because, like I said, everybody's learning curve is different. Some of you guys that are watching this video might be able to come in and within 6 months, you already fully understand and you're able to start to make some profit. But then there's others that are probably going to take a year, 2, 3 years to actually get this thing down packed. But the question that I have to ask you, if it takes you even 3 years to learn a skill set that is going to allow you to make money whenever you truly want, without having to deal with anybody in this world, no individual, without having to have so many different circumstances, is that worth the risk for you? I think it is. I sacrificed my first 3 years of loss, blown account, so a point to where now I'm able to make money consistently. I'm not saying I'm winning every trade, because it's impossible to win every single trade, but consistently over a period of time, I have been able to be profitable, and I have been able to really experience a lot of amazing things, guys. And I know that you can do the exact same thing, right? So family, I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys were able to get some value from this Forex 101 beginner's guide to trading Forex, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next few videos that I do end up dropping. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all. Make sure to subscribe if you guys are not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get it.